Friends, myself Jay, and in this tutorial I'm going to share you the knowledge of how we can secure our AWS account when you have created first time on Amazon AWS. So I have just created my account, and that's why I'm going to log in as a root user. That is my first gmail.com. I'm not remembering first time. So as the first task after creating account on AWS, it should be protecting your account. So AWS provided the feature of multi-factor authentication. So I have clicked this feature IAM, Identity and Access Management, and you see here AWS itself showing one error that add MFA for root user. This will improve the security for this account. So now I'm going to secure my account. So add here MFA. Here I'm going to assign MFA. So this will I'm putting here the device name, my test or you can say my cloud jar device. So I'm going, we have three options here. Either you have authenticator app like Google Authenticator, or you have one security key which is in the form of a device or a hardware TOTP token. So generally we use this authenticator app. So once you click here, here you can see show the QR code. So what we'll do, I will scan this one through my mobile. I'm opening my mobile and going to add this one, and it will generate a code in my authenticator app. 864. Now I'll wait in my authenticator app to generate the new code. It's refreshing in my mobile. Now I have added the second code, add MFA. Now it's showing that my account has successfully protected through the MFA. One device is assigned. Now here it already showing here. So now if I log out and sign in again, I'll use my email ID cloudjar@gmail.com. Sorry, I will enter my password. Now you see it's asking for the MFA code. So it's a two-level protection now. One is the password of your account, root user account, and another is the MFA. I'm going to enter here the MFA code which is generating in my mobile app. So you see, now I can log in after using my MFA multi-factor authentication code, which is generated on my mobile. So this way you can protect your account. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.